If your Epic Games download is failing, stuck, or refusing to start, this quick fix can help get everything working again. In this video, I'll show you how to fix the Epic Games download error on Windows using a few simple steps that can clear network issues, reset your connection settings, and stop background Epic processes that may be causing the problem. This is a great method if your downloads keep pausing, getting stuck at 0, or showing random errors. And before we get into it, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick tech fixes just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, click the Windows Start menu and type cmd. When command prompt appears, right-click it and choose Run as Administrator. This is important because these commands need admin access to make system-level changes. Once the command prompt window opens, we're going to enter a couple of network reset commands. One by one. Type or paste the first command, ipconfig/flush DNS, and press Enter. This clears your DNS cache, which can help if the Epic Games launcher is having trouble connecting properly. After that finishes, type the next command, net-winsock reset, and press Enter again. This resets the Windows network stack and can fix corrupted network settings that sometimes block downloads or cause launcher errors. Once both commands are completed, close command prompt and restart your computer. Restarting is important because it lets Windows apply the network changes fully. After your PC boots back up, open Windows Task Manager by pressing Ctrl, Shift, and ESC at the same time. In Task Manager, look for any active Epic Games processes. You may see Epic Games Launcher, Epic Web Helper, or other Epic-related tasks running in the background. Click on each one you find and choose End Task. This makes sure nothing is stuck in the background and interfering with a clean relaunch. Once all Epic processes are closed, open the Epic Games Launcher again and try your download one more time. In many cases, this simple reset clears the issue and gets downloads moving normally again. If the error was caused by a temporary network problem, corrupted cache, or a stuck launcher process, this should solve it. If this video helped, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more easy Windows and gaming fixes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.